welcome to part 2 of my Cape Town vlog. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're already subscribed, thank you so much for coming back. I'm really excited about today, actually this whole trip, this whole vlog, because I'm not used to vlogging, so I'm actually really nervous and excited, and I'm really hoping that it's turning out well. So right now I just woke up. I haven't done anything. Just woke up, opened up the curtains, and our breakfast just arrived. So right now we're just quickly gonna have breakfast. We're not even sure what we're doing today because we're trying to have a more chill day, and yeah, we're just gonna go with the flow and see what really happens. But for now, I'm gonna have breakfast, and yeah, after breakfast we're gonna get ready and I'll update you guys. Yeah. Yeah. Alright guys, so we just got washed up, we had breakfast, we got dressed, did our makeup, and now basically we're heading to the mall. My face looks so we are heading to the mall to go pick up a few things and then take a few pictures by the bridge, and then heading back to the hotel. I think Nodu's gonna change because we made a drama. I'm joking. Hey guys, we're gonna come back and change. Change, and then what are we doing? Oh yeah, heading to that Green Market Square thing. I know it pops, but yeah. And I'll update you when we are back or somewhere along the lines. Still trying, but yeah, it's so cute. Today's the first time I wasn't sure of my outfit, guys, but we move. Let me show y'all. That's our double OTD. Yeah. So we are now heading out. I remember such a mess. You mess. Let's go. Tissue. Yes, let's go. Oh my friend, you have tissue. Actually, as a hand, you shouldn't be leaving without tissue, eh? Good job. Did you take some? Your tissue? Yeah. Alright, cool. So we are now heading out. We're running slow on time. We need to be very quick about everything now because of time. But hopefully we make it. Ready? Okay.
I actually cracked this thing.
What did you crack?
This.
Are you serious though? You know who's been fighting with this thing?
Okay, I didn't crack it. The time when I went down the road and came back up, I actually managed.
No! You're the only one that presses. I don't touch.
I'm doing some face.
Yeah. from the mall. We're at the hotel now. Jeez, I'm so tired. Our day literally just started, but I'm already so tired. They cleaned up the room. It is looking so clean. We are heading to the restaurant to just chill, have some drinks, and your reservations for now in like, what is it, 15 minutes. So we are running late again as usual in 10 minutes. So yeah, so our reservation is for 2:30. And it is now 20 minutes past 2, and we are only now leaving the hotel. And we definitely, I don't know if we're gonna make it, but I hope we do. So I'll keep you guys posted and let you know as soon as we're there. Alright guys, so we just got into the Uber. We are now from, what is this? The restaurant. It was pretty nice, chill vibes, nothing too hectic. Had some lunch, some drinks, had a fun time, and now we are headed over to the beach. Probably not gonna be there for long because, geez, it is actually super windy. So yeah, we're gonna head to the beach and then take a few snaps and head back to the hotel because we're actually really tired and exhausted. So we'll see once we get there how we feel. But yeah, for now that's the plan, and I'll check in with you guys soon. About this weather, it is absolutely amazing. This is the boat, the bus we were talking about. That's it. I'll probably get bored on those, eh? Alright guys, we are here at the pool. Literally just stopped, went downstairs to greet some of my friends' friends. Such cool people. Now we're back, and yeah, I don't know if we're gonna swim because it's feeling a bit windy. A bit. Okay, it's windy. It's windy, but yeah, we're just gonna spend some time here and then yeah, that's literally it. These are the vibes, the vibes, the vibes, the vibes, the vibes. It's literally sunset hours.
Yesterday we were miserable at this time.
Sunset vibes. There's a whole cheese board. Local cheese platter of handcrafted cheeses with pickles and biscuits. That sounds so ugly. Lighting, no fancy.
Please
things.
don't twerk.
Just not twerking, I'm done twerking. I'm done twerking. Okay, so right now we're waiting for dinner to arrive. We almost went to bed starving because it took us forever to decide what to eat.
And when we did decide,
and like places are literally closing, like restaurants are closing, so it was pretty hard. We had to quickly order before it closes, but finally we decided to go with whatever Nolu's heart was. Because she was praying
I'm
in
so
her
happy.
heart. And she got it. So yeah, the glasses just got clear. And
I already poured water.
I'm
sorry.
Trying to get the system ready. So yeah, we're literally just waiting for the food. I think I'm gonna eat first. I'm gonna take a bubble bath first. It depends.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think we're just gonna have a very chilled night of resting. It sounds super boring.
Food is here.
Super boring. Okay, food's here. Super boring, but it is what it is. It is what it is. Also, we're tired, so maybe it's a good thing.
Let me.
Let's get it. We're gonna get turned for the last night. Yeah, I was gonna take a bubble bath, but the way I'm feeling hot, like I'm literally heating up. It is so hot. The night views are so breathtaking. Every second Tuesday. Every second Tuesday. Right, so we're about to start packing. Boring. But it's a vibe, it's a vibe, it's a vibe, man. Good morning, guys. Good morning, loves. Good morning, babies. Morning has officially started. As you guys can see, we are all ready. Currently, I'm just waiting for the iron to arrive so I can iron my clothes and go down for breakfast. It is taking forever, and I'm starting to get frustrated. But anyway, it's our last day. I'm so excited. I hope we have a safe flight, but we've had such an amazing time. It's really been so great. I also feel like we really needed this, so it was perfect. Not to mention lockdown starts today. So perfect timing. We are truly God's favorite. The day we leave is the day we are officially back into level 3. So yeah, it's hectic. It is hectic. So yeah, man, I'm just waiting for this iron. I cannot wait. Just get everything out the way because I'm really trying to have a smooth sailing day. I don't want to run late or back with time or anything like that. Today I cannot afford to miss another flight. We cannot. Look at her looking at me like, girl.
Girl, we don't have that money. Okay?
I do not have money for another flight ticket. So yay, can we not miss this flight? So I'm really hoping this hand or whoever's serving us today pulls through ASAP. Like, I really need to iron so we can go down, have breakfast. Oh yeah, today we're actually going down for breakfast instead of a room service because I mean it's the last day, might as well, you know, be out of the room and explore the rest of the hotel. So yeah, no room service today. Just gonna go down to the restaurant and yeah, I will check you guys. Yeah, I might take a few pictures, but I'm looking at time and I'm like so yeah, we will definitely see you guys at breakfast. And yeah, the airport fit. Hey guys, as y'all can tell, I am finally back home. I am in my city, guys. I'm so happy. But no, Cape Town was amazing. As y'all can tell, it really was a great trip. We tried out so many new things. We had fun activities. We explored Cape Town. So truly, man, it was such a great trip. I really did need it. So I'm very grateful that I was able to go. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, please help me out by commenting, liking, and subscribing to join the family and helping me grow. And yeah, guys, I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.